What if I told you there's a secret learning protocol used by the world's most elite mental athletes? A way to absorb information 10 times faster, without textbooks, without flashcards, and without the mental grind. This isn't science fiction. It's cognitive science, reverse engineered from peak human performance. Today, I'm declassifying it for you. Welcome to Transcend You. Now let's start. Step 1. Your brain has a secret update window, right on the edge of sleep. This is the theta state, where your mind becomes a total sponge. Here's what you do. Right before bed, just glance over your most important notes. No pressure, no cramming. Your only job is to let the information in. Think of it like this. You're not forcing your memory to work, you're letting it absorb. Pro tip is, create a physical trigger, like snapping your fingers during a review. Use that same snap later to instantly recall that focused state. Step 2. Train your focus like a muscle. Perfect silence is not required to learn. In fact, learning with mild background noise teaches your brain to ignore distractions. Start with soft cafe sounds. Once that's easy, add a layer, like rain. Then, challenge yourself. Set a quiet, random alarm every 10 minutes. Your mission isn't to find silence. Your mission is to anchor your attention, despite distraction. Step 3. Sensory memory triggers. Smell, sound, and place are powerful memory anchors. Weaponize a scent. Study history with peppermint tea. During the test, taste peppermint. The smell pulls the facts forward. Assign a color or taste to each subject. Step 4. You're coding shortcuts directly into your senses. You naturally remember locations. This is your built-in memory palace. Assign information to spots in your room. A formula on the window. A vocabulary list on the door. A key concept on the mirror. Every time you pass them, your brain refreshes the information. Your environment becomes an external brain, holding information for you on demand. Zero effort required. Don't just try one. Stack them. Week 1. Master the Twilight download. Week 2. Add focus training. Week 3. Layer in sensory anchors. This is the protocol. This is how you upgrade. If your goal is to learn like the top 1%, the path is here. Your first mission starts now. Pause. Open a new note. Title it, Protocol, Week 1. Your first entry. Find a theta wave track. Schedule a 20-minute pre-bed review for tonight. Do that and you've already begun.